Welcome crafters, Michelle here. I have an adorable Halloween DIY for you today. Now this Halloween DIY is quick and easy using Dollar Tree materials. Stay tuned and I'll show you how to make it. For today's Halloween DIY, you're going to need one of these ghost wood cutouts that you can get in the Halloween section at Dollar Tree. And then you're also going to need a roll of their shelf liner. And it is the white with the black floral print. This is the one that I've chosen. Okay, to get this ready, you just want to remove the jute cord, and then you want to cut a piece of your shelf liner that's large enough to cover your base. I have my shelf liner cut large enough to cover my ghost completely. Now, of course, the shelf liner does have a sticky side, but I don't feel that that is going to adhere well enough for me for this project. So I want to add a light coat of Mod Podge. Now you can use whatever finish you have, it doesn't matter. We just want to get a sticky surface. In the description box below is a detailed list of all the tools and materials used in today's project. Okay, I have a coat of Mod Podge on my ghost here, and I'm going to let that dry just a little bit. I don't want it to be real wet. I want it to be more tacky. And then we're going to put our shelf liner on. Okay, now I peeled back a couple inches here. And I'm going to start to lay down my paper. Then just slowly pull the plastic sheeting off as you push down and rub down on the shelf liner. Okay, and now I'm just going to go and cut out the majority of the paper. I don't need to get real close. We'll deal with that later. So I removed the majority of the excess shelf liner, and now I'm taking my utility knife here. You can also use an X-Acto knife. And I'm removing it even more, and I'm just resting my blade right next to the wooden cutout and then dragging it right along. You'll want a nice sharp blade for this to make sure that it cuts through. I'm also using a self-healing mat so I don't cause any damage to my table. And then it just peels off. Just hold the wood piece down so it doesn't slip while you're doing this. Okay, so then once you have cut and removed that, sometimes the edge still isn't really clean. You can take a sanding block. You want to drag down and away. That works really nice at cleaning up that edge and making it very even. Now on these cutouts, sometimes they have a lot of detailed cuts. That's where a nice nail file comes in handy. You can get right in there. Just drag down and away, and that will clean up those cut in areas. I'm also going to use this when I do the face. But as you can see, it gives you a really nice clean edge by doing it that way. I'm going to finish removing the excess paper. Doesn't that look cute? Now I did, as you saw, weigh this down. It was getting a little warped from the Mod Podge, so I weighed it down and let it sit for a couple hours, and now it's just as flat as when I bought it. Everything is nice and clean. We're ready to go to the next step. Okay, I have some Folk Art Matte Black. And I just want to go around all the edges and in the eyes and the mouth and hit the edges with a nice thick black. This will help to accentuate everything. Just load your paintbrush and go ahead and tap all the way around the ghost. Enjoying today's content? Please show your support by hitting the like button, leaving a comment, and sharing the video with your friends. It's just adding a little bit more definition to the outline. Now while my ghost dries, I'm going to paint one of these boo signs. I picked this up at Dollar Tree. I don't think they carry them anymore. That came from my stash. But you can just use wood letters or find a boo sign at Hobby Lobby or Michael's. So I just want to get this painted in black. My ghost and my boo are dry. I'm ready to attach it. I'm going to try this new glue I found at Dollar Tree. It's Aleene's Premium Quality DIY Craft Industrial Strength Glue Stick. Permanent, low odor, and no residue. And it looks like it's going to be really easy to apply. I can get the top off. So it looks orange, so you can see where it's going, but once it dries completely clear. Well, that definitely makes it easy to get glue all over the back of your wood word. Now, if you don't have a boo or you can't find a boo, you can also use the word spooky. You can also get a package of letters and just spell out boo or spooky. Whatever you can fit onto your ghost. Enjoying the content and want to see more? Make sure to hit the subscribe button. When the notification bell pops up, if you hit that too, YouTube should let you know every time I upload new content. Just going to add a little bit of weight to make sure I have good contact and allow that to set up. My boo has set up. So now here on the back, you want to take a piece of twine or jute cord, pull the ends together and tie a knot so you have a little loop. I'm going to attach this to the back here so that I can hang my project. And I'm also going to add just a little piece of ribbon over the top of that. I just think that makes it a little bit more secure. Now I have this package of Crafter Square foam sheets. You get 32 in a package. They are 4" by 6". There's several different colors in there. I did pull out a yellow. I rounded the corners because I want to back this over the face. And it was showing like right here, so I wanted to make sure that didn't happen. And I'm going to use the Aleene's Industrial Strength Glue Stick. This I like so far. As long as it holds really well, I will be happy with this product. The ease that it goes on is great. You can get right next to like the edge there. Make sure that you get really good adhesion. And there you go, we are all done. Isn't that ghost adorable? Not your total traditional ghost, but I absolutely love it. Now, if you don't have the foam sheets, of course you can use yellow cardstock or whatever color you want to back up on your ghost there. Oh, but I'm so happy. When I saw this cutout, I absolutely loved the shape of the ghost, and I immediately thought of this paper liner for your shelves and drawers, and I thought it would make such a cute ghost, and it does. I'm so pleased with that. What a beautiful and happy Halloween ghost. A great project, easy to make using just a few materials from Dollar Tree. If you're looking for more Halloween inspiration, you can check out my playlist by clicking here. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do so by clicking on this icon right here. Have a great day and take care of yourself, my friend, and I'll see you in the next video.